So if all goes well on, and this is what I'm looking for on number 1. All you have to do is say, here you got Cr2O7 plus iodide, because then it's in an acidic environment, so you have your hydronium ions. And you're going to tell, and I tell you, you get Cr3 plus out of it, and I2. So this is all I'm looking for on number 1. Okay? All you're doing is saying, you're not going to balance it. All you're saying is that dichromate's going to react with iodine in an acidic environment, and you're going to get Cr3 plus and elemental iodine. So that elemental iodine is what you saw as that dark orange layer at the bottom, that rustic brown. So if all goes well on number 2, when you get done with the overall reaction, you should have 7 waters as a product. Okay? If all goes well, you should have 7 waters. Now, and depending on which sheet you look at, either E naught is going to be 0.79 or 0.8. Okay? Because if that's wrong, everything else is going to be wrong too. So make sure when you're doing questions 4 and 5 that you're using that E naught minus 0.0592 over N times log of Q. When you're doing this Q value, okay, you have to go back up to that balanced equation and look at the exponents, okay? So like for example, your hydronium ion concentration is you should have 14 hydronium ions. So what that means is that hydronium ion concentration is raised to the 14th power, okay? So if you change something raised to the 14th power, if you change that a little, that has a huge ramification in terms of what's going to happen in terms of that E value, because it's raised to that 14th. So make sure when you're doing this that you're cubing, squaring, whatever that exponent is in terms of those concentrations. So both of your answers to 4 and 5 should be less than 1. And on the back side, when you find the unknown metal, first off, keep in mind that it's an element that can have an oxidation state of 3+. So right away, where can that element not be located? Group 1 or group 2. So if on number 3, because it's 3+, it has to be somewhere in the body of the periodic table. It cannot be in group 1 or group 2. And if all goes well on that unknown metal, that should end in the letters IUM. Just saying.
Just guessing.
Just saying. Okay.
There's lots of things that I end in IUM.
You're on your own.
But aluminium is also 3+.
I also don't, we're in America.
Chromium is also.
Are you good with this? Oh.
Stay focused. We actually gonna be productive. 67% science.
That's about scientific knowledge. It's about how much you love historical material.
History.
Oh, but they're still like fitting to the leg.
Chances.